Hey there, want to ensure your retirement savings go to the right people? Adding beneficiaries to your Fidelity IRA is a critical, often overlooked, step in your financial plan. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Log into your Fidelity account and go to the Accounts and Trade menu, then Account Features. Look for Beneficiaries and click Update. You'll be guided to list primary and contingent beneficiaries, specifying a percentage of the account for each. You'll need their full name, date of birth, and social security number. My crucial pro tip: review and update beneficiaries after major life events. Marriage, divorce, births, or deaths can change your intentions. Unlike a will, beneficiary designations typically override other instructions, so keeping them current is absolutely essential. Just like that, you provide clarity and peace of mind for your loved ones. When was the last time you checked the beneficiaries on all your accounts? Let me know in the comments. For more essential planning guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.